Newly built, freehold semi-D, District 15. At one of the highest vantage point in this East Coast area, this landed enjoys the best of both worlds, being on a hill and yet near the sea. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today I'm at Siglap Walk, where it is only just 5 minutes walk to Frankel and 10 minutes walk to Siglap Centre area. Now let's head to the house. Completely rebuilt in 2021, this multi-generational home is built on 4,200 square feet of land and has a build-up of about 8,000 square feet. The frontage is approximately 13.4 meters at the front, and the entire length spans over 30 meters. So from the moment that you step through the gates, you're greeted by this vast entrance area where you can park 3 cars. The owners have already installed an EV charging point within this compound for your convenience. And here, let's step into the house. So this house was designed with a lot of attention to details. Once you step in, there's this little foyer area where your guests can just drop by for a cup of tea. On my right, there's a little prayers room, and on my left, the study room. So this entire area can actually be transformed into a family area. This cellar is very practical but also tasteful. So the floors are tiled with extremely large homogeneous tiles, while the bedrooms are lined with vinyl flooring from Holland to minimize maintenance of the house. Come, let's head into the study. Now you can see this entire space has been built to be very conducive. The window is actually soundproof, and we have all these built-in spaces for your children to focus. There's also a flexi space here for you to have group discussions. We simply love how it also comes with this attached bathroom, well, leading to our next room. So this is the second room. Here, the kids can have 2 super single beds side by side, and the basis of this design is really that the first floor is usually more shady and therefore cozier and quieter for sleeping. Heading back into the corridors, we have a lift here leading up to the upper floors, a really thoughtful design to future-proof your home. At the back of the house, we have 2 more bedrooms, both able to fit a super single bed or even a queen bed. So in total, we have 4 bedrooms, all ensuite. Now at the side of the house, we also have a little walkway leading round to the garden and to the back of the house, where the owner has allocated a dedicated laundry area. There's also a staircase here, leading where? Well, we'll find out in a bit. Let's head up to level 2. Now the staircase leading up are beautiful wooden planks with LED lights under each step, giving off such a sense of luxury as we head upwards. Here, we have an incredibly gorgeous modern living area. Now this space is perfect for entertainment. And as you can see, there's high ceilings and strategically placed windows, so there's plenty of light and breeze into this space. What's great about this space is how it's also above ground level, lending you plenty of privacy away from the prying eyes of the street. The kitchen is also very well equipped and well ventilated. From here, you can easily look out and interact with your guests. And likewise, if you hire a private chef, your guests get a great visual experience. One of the little touches that the owner has done is this tiny nook for anyone to grab a quick snack. So here's where we solve the mystery. Where does the staircase lead to? Come, let me show you. Basically from the kitchen all the way down to the laundry area. On the same level, we have a guest bathroom and also another ensuite bedroom. So that's 5 in total by now. This is perfect for your guests or even as a study. And now we arrive on level 3, where the master of the home resides. This feels like a self-contained space with your very own family area and even a pantry which is fully fitted. Come, let's head to the master bedroom. Now this master bedroom is of a great size, and you can see that you can have a super king size bed on this side as well as a living area right in your own room. The ceiling height is also extremely high, so that gives a greater sense of spaciousness. Round this corner, we have the walk-in wardrobe and of course the grand master bathroom, fully equipped with quality appliances from 𝗵𝗪𝗄𝗃. And now, back to the outdoor space where you can bask in this beautiful scenery of the endless skies. This is the final part of the house, where we have the solar panels all laid out on the roof, and this is also where you get a view. Imagine being up here, enjoying the breeze and city lights, having a drink as you take in the fireworks. Well designed, modern and located in the east. Like to make this piece of haven your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!